The CSS Shape API lets you define shapes using the full expressiveness of CSS. It landed in Safari 18.4, Chrome 135, and Firefox 148, making it available in all major browser engines. It's basically an enhanced version of Path. Like, here's a path that clips an element to a heart shape. But because Path uses SVG syntax, you've kind of left the world of CSS behind. Whereas here is the same thing using Shape. It's certainly more readable. I'm not going to pretend I'd know it was a heart shape at a glance, but it is more readable. But the real benefit is that you are still in the world of CSS. For starters, you're not limited to pixel units. Here I'm using %, so it scales to the size of the element. But you can use a mix of CSS units. You can use custom properties. Now, this is a lot of code for a small video, but bear with me. I've pulled a bunch of the values out to custom properties, and the benefit of this is, because the shape is symmetrical, I can use the calc function to compute the values for the other side of the heart. So in Firefox DevTools, I can play with the custom property values and the symmetry is maintained automatically. This is just using calc, but you can use other functions like min, max, and clamp, the full range of CSS functions. You can even animate shapes. For instance, if I set a transition on clip path and then change my custom properties on hover, it morphs into a diamond. I can't decide if this animation is great or if it makes me feel weirdly uncomfortable. I'll leave it for you to decide. But being able to split this out into custom properties means I could animate the properties instead, meaning I could give each coordinate a different duration, delay, or easing. Now, there are tools out there to help you convert things like SVG paths to CSS shapes. So you can design your shape in something like Inkscape, convert it to CSS, then add whatever CSS features you'd like on top. As always, this was just a quick overview of the API, but it's lots of fun. So check out MDN for the full documentation.